He's out of my life. He's out of my life. And I don't know whether to laugh or cry. I don't know whether to live or die. Now it cuts like a knife. He's out of my life. It's out of my hands. It's out of my hands. To think that for 2 years she was here. I took her and him for granted. I was so cavalier. Now the way that it stands, she's out of my hands. So I know that love's not possession, and I know that love can't wait. Now I've learned that love's not possession, but I've learned too late. She's out of my life, and he's out of my life. Damned indecision and foolish pride. I kept my love for her like a knife. Out of my life.